Pandemic has hurt downtown areas, we know. Leaders in Muskegon hope a new development will bring new life to the center of their city. Here's News 8's Justin Kolar.
It's been a pretty monumental change. I don't think there's a better way to say it.
Welcomed change is brewing near the corner of 4th and Western Avenue in downtown Muskegon.
It's gotten to be, probably one of the more popular blocks really in all of Muskegon County.
Thanks in large part to the excitement stewing from the city's new convention center. The space will be completed early next spring, but the exterior finally finished.
We always struggled with how to get people here, in the winter months in particular. And what we think this will help us do is keep Muskegon as a year-round destination.
This convention space was designed pre-COVID. There won't be any large gatherings held here anytime soon, but with more space, the city believes when the time is right, they'll be able to attract just enough people back downtown.
I think the excitement of being downtown Muskegon has helped people that have wanted to invest in Muskegon or in other places help really decide that Muskegon is the right place for them to kind of put their dollars down and add to the vibrancy.
Adding to that vibrancy, the newly built Pigeon Hill Brewing Company's production facility right across Shoreline Drive.
When we set out to build our tap room downtown, everyone said we were crazy. You could park a car across Western Avenue on a Friday night and it wouldn't disturb anybody.
Soon that won't be the case, as this once struggling downtown area is rebuilt.
Even with COVID, we see people are excited. They're scared, of course, but they're also excited because they know that momentum, that trajectory that we're on is continuing in the right direction.
Onward, upward, moving forward to the next chapter, turning the corner together.
But I think what you see is the resiliency of the folks of Muskegon, and I know it's been a long road. It's been a long road, and there's a lot of people that come out here and say, "Oh, I remember the old Western Avenue from the 1960s and 70s." And I'll say this: sometimes you have to hit the bottom before you can start improving.
Justin Kolar, News 8.